Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Navneet Kumar and I'm a student of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. And today we have come across a new video which is about realizing existence as coexistence at all levels, right? And we'll discuss about what is harmony also in this and how harmony it is interconnected, right? So let's explore it this thing. Okay, so this deck explores the concept of coexistence and harmony. So we will examine the interconnectedness of all things and how embracing this can lead to a more fulfilling existence. Okay, so let's start. First of all, introduction will go with it, which is what is coexistence, right? So, and what is harmony? So our coexistence refers to peaceful and harmonious relation between entities. Entities here refers to different type of living organism beings, right? So we should always have a peaceful and harmonious relationships between entities. That is one of the basic importance of coexistence, right? And one more thing is harmony. So what is harmony? Harmony basically represents the balance and order within a system. It can be whether the natural order or the systematic order, but harmony is important, right? We say na that it should be balanced in every way. It should not be too much or it should not be too less. Harmony is important whether it's in coexistence or in our day-to-day life. Okay, now we will understand what is existence, right? So these concepts are crucial for comprehending the integrated relationship that make up existence from atom to the universe, right? So our existence, it is made from atoms, right, to the universe or whatever it is we are existing. But to comprehend our existence we have to understand the thing called relationships, because that makes us known to others, known to us also. It gives the value to our existence. That is why it is very crucial for comprehending the integrate relationship that make up existence from atom to the universe to us human, right? So what are the key areas? This presentation will explore coexistence in nature, human life, and holistic harmony, highlighting the universal values and practical steps, right? So coexistence in nature, right? We can see the beautiful pictures of organisms from the nature, right? So we can see this symbiotic relationships, right? We were talking about coexistence, right? One being is depending on each other and other is depending on us. It's like a harmonic, right, harmonious nature and everything. So nature is a testament to coexistence. It's exemplifies by symbiotic relationship like coral reefs where various species depend on each other for survival, right? We have seen, right, ocean is the best example for coexistence, because here different organisms depend on different type of food structure, like they depend on each other, right? Here we have seen that how various what the species perform this symbiotic relationship with the coral reefs, right? They grow their algae, they grow their nutrients which are taken by the different organisms, right? And especially when we are talking about natural cycles such as water cycle or nitrogen cycle, it also demonstrates this interconnectedness of different elements and harmonious balance within ecosystem, right? We can see how water cycle works, right? How the water is first evaporated into gas, it goes to the atmosphere. The higher the it goes, the colder it gets, and then it gets condensed, and then again the water which is condensed, it will form in the form of rain again, and then this will go to the ground. Again it will heat up, again it will form the gaseous state, and again this cycle keeps repeating. So we can see how it is depending this coexistence and what are the natural cycles of it, right? For rain we need water, which is important, right? And this water we can get from our own water resources which are evaporated, and then they go to the sky in the form of gaseous states, right? So coexistence in nature, everything is interconnected, but we have to do is understand it. Okay, now if we go with coexistence in human life, right? We have families, communities, societies, right? So family thrives on mutual respect. We should respect our elders, we should respect our youngsters, we should respect our peers, we have to respect everyone who deserves it. And then understanding and cooperation, right? So these are the three things on which families thrive, right? So these values foster a sense of belonging and create a harmonious environment in the family. When we are coexisting, we depend on our parents depend on us when they are old for anything, and it is our duty to help them, right? So families thrives on mutual respect, obviously I agree with it. And second thing is communities. So community cohesion is built on shared values and a spirit of collaboration, fostering a sense of belonging and shared responsibilities, right? Basically communities are built on giving the shared values or a sense of collaboration or a teamwork thing, so that it gives us a sense of where we belong and we have some responsibility, which like we feel that others need us, right? And we need them, we feel this responsibility thing. So it is a good thing when we are building a community for coexistence. And then we have societies. Societies they thrive when diverse perspectives are embraced. We have to understand this point, because each will have their own perspective. So if we are ready to embrace that perspective, even if it is different, even if it is against us or opposite to us, we should try to understand it, right? And individual work together towards a common goal, creating a harmonious and thriving society. For example, if the peace is the goal and multiple people, even after they have different perspective, opposite perspective, if they're thriving for a common goal, we get a good, harmonious and thriving society, right? Now what is holistic harmony, right? So holistic view, if we see it, is harmony is a state of balance, right, and interconnectedness, not just the absence of conflict, right? That is what is the holistic view of harmony. Basically balance, connected between each other, and it is not just the absence of conflict, obviously. So how do we achieve our harmony, right? Achieving harmony is done by understanding our interdependency and working together for collectively, what we'll call it, well-being, right? So we should understand who we are depending on, who are depending on us, and we are working together to solve the issues. Whatever problem arrives, if we are able to solve it together, again we'll have harmony in us, right? So how do we foster harmony, right? Fostering harmony can be done by educational and values. See, education we learn about life, education teaches. Values will teach us how to respect life, how to learn from life, and manners and everything. So it instills a sense of interconnectedness and promotes empathy. Right? Empathy is very important as a human being. So yeah. So levels of coexistence, if we see, we have individual, society, family, nature, right? So first level is individual, where we cultivate self-awareness and respect for oneself and others, right? We should always respect ourselves and love ourselves, right? That is one thing which is very important in the beginning. And then when we come to family, we should share responsibilities, foster mutual support within a diverse group, love our family, respect our family. Obviously everything you do for yourself, you should do for your family too. Now, when we are talking about society, we should respect diverse cultures and work together to address common challenges, right? Whenever society is facing any diverse culture thing, or different views, perspectives, we should address it and face the challenges together, right? And when we are talking about our mother nature, we should recognize our interdependency, okay, and this natural world, how we are depending on it, and we should strive to live in this harmony with the natural world, right? We have a thing called sustainable development for it, right? So that we don't exploit the mother nature and we use only how much we need and less we should not. Okay, so what are the roles of UHB, Universal Human Values? So it promotes empathy and compassion, right? What is empathy? So empathy allows us to understand and share feelings of others, right? Fostering companionship and promoting understanding. We understand others, we understand their feelings, their thoughts, their emotions, and we understand how to share it to them, right? And compassion is motivates us to act with kindness and cares for others. right? It promoting a sense of shared humanity and reducing suffering, because we as humans should always help other human, right? So after this, when we are talking about how to achieve it, steps to achieve harmony, right? Practical steps, we should be mindfulness, right? We should have mindfulness, we should be mindful about what we are doing. So we should develop mindfulness to cultivate awareness of our thoughts, emotions and actions, allowing us to make choices that promote harmony. We should also be careful about active listening, because listening attentively to others foster understanding, respect and a sense of connection, promoting harmonious relationship, right? If we are listening to other while they are talking and we are focused on it, they feel that they have the attention, they have the importance in our heart. So we should always be careful about what we are listening and how we are behaving in front of them. Okay. And now, if we go with some case study and examples, okay. So when we are talking about urban community culture, right? So community gardens we have, neighbor watch programs have, right? For different communities, we have community government gardens, right? What it does is that it increases social cohesion, reduces crime rate and a sense of belonging. It's like you can understand this by saying that the people, they are able to come together to the garden, which increases the social communication, right? So that is what it is. And neighborhood watch program helps with the reducing of crime rates, obviously, and giving a sense of belonging. And when we are talking about global organization, we can see the example of international organization promoting peace and cooperation, right? What it will help is improving global cooperation and reducing conflicts, right? So this is how it works. So I would like to conclude this by saying that embracing coexistence and harmony as guiding principle in our life, we can cultivate a more fulfilling and peaceful world. So this journey begins with recognizing our interconnectedness, nurturing empathy and respect, and actively participating in creating a harmonious existence for all. So with this, I would like to say that if you guys like the video, drop a like. If you have any doubt, comment in the comment box section, and share it to your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for listening to my video. We'll meet in the next video.